Okay, doing another test with the oscilloscope with the power supply. I'm going to have a 10.1 volts. I have my fluke set up, measuring 10.1, and then the oscilloscope showing that there's a little bit of some noise within the signal, so it's jumping there. You can see the max was 10.4 and the min 9.6. Just kind of hovering a little above to a little below there on the oscilloscope. And then if I change this, go up in voltage, get it up to, let's see if we can get to about 20 volts here. Just a little over. Not the best power supply. Does a pretty good job. So now the power supply is at 20, the fluke's showing 19.99, and the oscilloscope showing 19.90. Not bad. It's kind of nice. I wish I could zoom in a little bit more on the timing to see the noise, but overall, not too noisy of a power supply for a pretty cheap unit. Have it set up. There we go, the fluke just went up to 20 volts. Nice little video. Shows that the oscilloscope can give you a little bit, show the noise of the power input. Thanks for watching.